Let's pull the two-seat out, baby. It's wherever you want to go. Right.
Vibing to the music. This is how we do it. All night. Reason down the freeway. Just me and my baby. And I ride. Just me and my boss. No worries at all. Listening.
This newly constructed 5-bedroom home, all rooms en suite, designed and constructed by prestigious home, located in the most premier neighborhood in Lagos, with about 6,000 square feet built-in area and 505 lot size, meeting with its unparalleled 270 degrees infinity edge pool, a very solid structure. Construction types are not typical in this location, so you're definitely getting a unique value for your money. Welcome to this beautiful home here in Banana Island. I'm Amadi Gift and I cannot wait to show you details of this beautiful home. We're currently in the living area. You can see the scale of this living area. It is so beautiful. We have lovely artwork. We have this beautiful overhead room with this gorgeous modern day chandeliers and spotlights all over it. We have this gorgeous installed Bluetooth speakers by Bosch that gives you a better surround of your environment. This home is so beautiful. Everything comes together to give you this unique luxury design. I'm going to be taking you into the kitchen so you can see some other features that come with this gorgeous home. Come on, guys. Welcome to this gorgeous kitchen in this beautiful home. This is literally my favorite part of this house. I love the color scheme of this kitchen. I love the white with oak wood and neutral touch of black. We have inbuilt appliances here, all designed and customized by Bosch. We have this beautiful paneled and oak wood finishing. We have this 5 cooktops right here, and on top of it we have this very beautiful uniquely designed vent to help you make sure that you don't get choked up with the space in this beautiful kitchen. Over here we have the wash and the dry by LG, and we also have the pantry. I love the fact that the kitchen translates into this beautiful pool area. Let's check it out. Hi Barbie, hi Ken, welcome to your dream house cinema. This is so beautiful. Look at this beautiful cabinetry, and we have this popcorn machine that has been installed by a developer, and underneath we have this gorgeous wine cellar by Hisense. This is a 6-seater cinema. You can literally fit a whole family in here. Look at how comfortable it is with the beautiful skylights in the cinema. I can be here all day. I'm just gonna take my time to digest this home. Welcome to the owner's suite of this gorgeous home. This is the largest room that you find in this home, and it's so beautifully finished. We have this gorgeous massage chair, and right behind me is a walk-in closet. It is so beautiful, and when you come into the living area, you transit into this gorgeous, beautiful bed. I love the way that it has so much room space in this living area that you can basically set up a mini office lounge here. But you don't need that because this house has a lot of rooms for you. Let's check out some more features that come in with this home. You're probably wondering where I am. I got lost in this huge walk-in closet. This is the walk-in closet that comes with the owner's suite. It is so beautiful. We have beautiful open shelving with LED lights. We also have this glass shelving that has LED lights installed inside of this walk-in closet. This cabinet over here, it is so beautiful, so finely finished. It can basically help you with the humidity conditions that you might find here. Seeing this huge mirror, ladies, I know you're excited because this is definitely a perks for you. And we have different cabinetry, and this cabinet comes with whisper gliders, so you do not get a sound, or you don't even need to fully close it up in order to get the luxury experience. And that's how it works. We have this open shelf here. I love the fact that the walk-in closet transits into this beautiful bathroom. So let's go and check out the details of this bathroom. Come on, guys. Hi, I got lost again trying to navigate my way into this bathroom. Now imagine after taking a very beautiful warm bath, either in your bathtub or in your shower, you move into this gorgeous sauna and get this new redefined refreshment, and that is the feeling of luxury. Luxury is basically having everything at your convenience, and this bathroom was designed with that intention. This right here are all the reasons why you need to invest in this property right now. Look at this gorgeous 270 degrees infinity edge pool sitting right here close to the owner's suite. It is such a beautiful sight to behold. I love it. This is a thumbs up from me to Prestigious Home. Thank you for making this possible for the lucky owner that is going to be buying this property. For more information about owning this property, kindly send us a message via our social media platform or reach out to us via the number on your screen. We're definitely looking forward to working with you in securing this unit. Until we meet again, I'm your host, Amadi Gift.